Hello children, welcome back to my English channel. This is Teacher Smile. Is this grade 2? Today we're gonna be looking at Unit 4, Lesson 1. Unit 4, Lesson 1, and our topic is gonna be talking about farm animals. Talking about farm animals. Do you know some animals? Alright, let me see you in the classroom. Yes, children. Can you look at the farm animals? Yes. Now let's look at the pictures. And we have something here. The question says, what farm animals can you see? What farm animals can you see? Let's start. Number 1 is, I can see a horse. I can see a horse. Where is a horse? It's here. Can you see a horse? Yes, I can. I can see a pig. I can see a pig. Where is it? It's here. Can you see a pig? Yes, teacher. Number 3. I can see a duck. I can see a duck. Where is a duck? A duck is here. Next, I can see a goat. I can see a goat. Let's look around. Where is a goat? It's here. Can you see a goat? Next, I can see a turkey. I can see a turkey. Can you see a turkey? Yes, teacher. I can see a cat. I can see a cat. Where is a cat? The cat is here in the corner. And the turkey is here. That's a turkey. Next, I can see a cow. Can you see a cow? It's black and white in color. That's a cow. I can see a dog. I can see a dog. Where is a dog? The dog is here. I can see a rooster. I can see a rooster. Where is a rooster? Kai Kai. It's here. That's a rooster. I can see a hen. I can see a hen. Where is a hen? A hen is here. Now let's read again one more time. What farm animals can you see? I can see a horse. I can see a pig. I can see a duck. I can see a goat. I can see a turkey. I can see a cat. I can see a cow. I can see a dog. I can see a rooster. And finally, I can see a hen. Listen and say. Listen and say. Number 1, horse. Horse. Number 2, duck. Duck. Cow. Cow. Hen. Hen. Pig. Pig. Rabbit. Rabbit. Turkey. Turkey. bird, bird. Let's read one more time. Horse, duck, cow, hen, pig, rabbit, turkey, and bird. In our conversation, we are going to have a teacher and a student. The student's name is Dan. So the teacher is gonna say, "What's this? What's this?" Can you see the picture? Dan is gonna say, "It's a horse. It's a horse." Teacher is gonna say, "What color is it? What color is it?" It's brown. The horse is brown. Can you see the picture? Next, we're gonna have a teacher and a student. This time, the student's name is Aisha. Teacher is gonna say, "What's this?" Aisha, "It's a cow." What color is it? What color is it? It's black and white. It's black and white. In conversation 2, teacher is gonna ask Dan again, "What's this? Can you see the picture?" Dan is gonna say, "It's a turkey. It's a turkey." What color is it? What color is it? Dan is gonna say, "It's black, white, and red." It's black, white, and red. Then let's see the teacher asking the student called Aisha. Teacher will say, "What's this? Look at the picture. What is that?" Aisha is gonna say, "It's a duck." What color is it? It's white. The duck's color is white. Thank you very much for watching my lesson and see you next time.